So right now we're standing outside our brand new classrooms. Prior to the renovations of the Health and Human Services building, we didn't have these rooms. So we have one classroom that holds 65 students and another classroom that holds 35. Prior to the classrooms and the renovations of the building, this space was actually the advising area. But since we built the classrooms, we have a great now advising space for students, and it's a nice open area. It's a nice space for students to wait. It's a nice inviting, warm space, a welcoming space for students to come for academic advising.
This building was part of the master plan to modernize academic buildings across campus. The building had previously been occupied for a large portion by the health center on campus. When it moved to its new facility, there was a great opportunity to improve the academic facilities for the College of Health and Human Services.
So since the renovations, we've built a slew of offices for public and allied health. We've built spaces for food and nutrition, who moved into our college July 1st. So we have new labs for them, including a teaching kitchen, a tasting lab, a food science lab, and we also have a few other lab spaces that we didn't have previous to the renovations.
My favorite classroom in this building is the food lab, and I love the food lab because it gives you a chance to have a hands-on approach to learning. So I've been able to learn new techniques and learn new recipes in the food lab, so it's my favorite part of this building.
The project was an entire renovation of the existing building, mainly focused on the first floor. Pretty much took the first floor down to the bare bones. We relocated the elevations on the first floor to make it unified and focused on circulation to open up the existing building. Second floor mainly included minor renovations such as new windows, paint, carpeting, and the basement we improved student collaboration spaces that weren't included in the building beforehand. One of our focuses on the renovation was to add light through. So you can see behind me what we call the center hub or the center circulation space of the building. We added new openings for the glazing to really allow the light to shine into the corners. We also extended the corridors to the east and the west and put in new glazing there, full heights, to kind of let the light filter through the entire building.
This new Health and Human Services building is very bright and open, and it gives plenty of spaces for students to walk around or even like sit down and collaborate with each other. And it's so bright and so modern, and it has the newest technology here in this building. So it just gives students a new way to learn and engage with others.
One of the more unique spaces in the building happens to be in a research lab on the southeast corner of the building, where we were able to open up a corner with glazing and really allows for spectacular views of the campus.
One of the main benefits I see of this building is it's more inviting and warm and welcoming for students. The student hub area, which Wood County Hospital was gracious enough to name, is one of the main central heart of the renovations to the building. The students spend a lot of time in that area, networking, working on things in between classes, and also interacting with faculty and staff.
The main part of the renovation that you see now was completed in December of 2015. Part of the renovation still includes a new exterior canopy here on the south side of the building, which will highlight the south entrance and the main entrance into the space. This project, for being 5 phases, went extremely smoothly. We were able to come in under budget, which has allowed us to do some extra things throughout the building. New advising seatings and the canopy, and hopefully some landscaping are just a few of the things that you'll be seeing throughout the remainder of the summer.
The renovations have really transformed this building into a warm and inviting space for students and for faculty. It's brought a lot more students into the building. As the dean, I'm happy to be able to interact with students a lot more than I have in the past, and the renovations have allowed me to do that.